Please repeat what you just said.
Right, and I'll leave.
Someone's in a grumpy mood.
I'll leave it with you.
So we're just finishing off the final preparations to go. Just going to grease her up and diesel and off we go. Ain't it right, Farmer Jordan?
Grease her up and diesel off. Luke, I've just repaired the main harness. We now have to take the sieves out because the bushings are shot, and this is supposed to be attached on the header.
So just minor stuff, and then we're going to have a go this afternoon.
But you and Dad had checked this over and we were ready to go this morning.
Till Jordan showed up and just pulled, just went, oh, that was a bit loose. Snap.
What about the sieves that are coming out the side of the combine?
They worked fine when me and Dad looked at it.
What's a bit devious is there's like...
So the sun is shining. The combine is now ready. We should have filmed for the last couple of days, but it would have took a lot of editing, wouldn't it, Dad?
Yeah. Bits all over the floor.
Yeah. We've had, so me and Dad checked the combine over. We thought it was okay until Farmer Jordan noticed a couple of things wrong with it. One being the rubbers that go in the front sieves here. So these are the front sieves that move backs and forwards after it first falls down. There's some rubber dampeners in there. Well, they're gone. So we had to do both sides of them. Then we put the header on. I think there's nothing wrong with the header. We checked that over, lifted the reel up, and that's where it stopped. We might have had a friendly, well, not really friendly, we might have a rodent creature that had completely gone through the whole wires of the header. So Farmer Jordan has spent the last 2 days rewiring. 2 days, 4 trips to class to go and pick parts up, 2 of them to Saxon and Bury St Evans to go and get the main wiring loom. But that is all completed. We're on the final checks, and we Dad. And we're just changing this into all-seed rape mode, and then we are going to hopefully get cutting out with Farmer Clive. It's not too hot. It's a bit hot at the minute. If it's too hot, it's too dry. And if it's too dry, you get a weight loss. We get deducted weight loss. So we are.
They won't accept it with no fix.
They won't accept it. And there's the sun shining, as you can see.
This produces dust. 9%, or just 8.75.
So ironically, we're just waiting for it to cool down a bit.
It's ironic that we can't get. If you cut dry wheat, they don't worry. If you cut the all-seed rate below 9, in between 7 and 9, you get a moisture bonus.
So that's what we're after. We're after the moisture bonus. So we just got to wait for it to cool down a bit. Put the knife sections on here, which you'll see in a second, and then we'll have a go karting. What would you, Farmer Clive? I hope to. Is all been converted, as you can see here. So what we'll be doing, well, we're putting these things on the side knife, so these cut the all-seed rape, and there's one on that side as well, to make a nice clean cut down the field, because rape kind of bushes out, so this cuts it so it can fall onto the reel, and then that pushes it onto the auger, then the centre of the combine. And the knife's cut it, so it cut, that helps it in, gets in the auger and then's out. Also as well, we extended this bit as well, because it tends to shower if you touch it, so hopefully when this gets close to it, it'll catch it all in the combine. Combine's there, all ready to go. Let's have a go cutting. Let's get on. Let's cross. Harvest 2024 has officially started. Officially. We'll catch up with more of Farmer Clive and the combine in a minute. I need to go back and get a trailer to put the stuff in the cut. What's the moisture? Started.
Yeah. My 51st harvest.
What are you going to say that? 51st harvest.
And I'm not looking forward to it. It's going to be the worst.
I think it is. He's on the best combine though.
God, that's it. Well, I never get done.
So that was the first load in the trailer. Let's get it tipped. It's back to the yard. So we're up in the cab with Farmer Clive. Yeah. Last draft. Of the field anyway, not harvest.
One field.
Turn that around, that's a bit too close. So just finish it off now. Combine alright?
Yep.
Everything okay? Wow. Yeah. We're trying to go through all seed rate, which I forgot to show you. So that's what we're cutting. We're actually after the pod bits there. They contain all the seed, which you can see. A bit round here. There. Little black seeds. As you can see there, the stalks are quite thick. So it's taking a bit of cutting, bless her. And that's why she shakes a little bit. We'll get into barley, we'll really find out whether it's wrong. But the minute looks like it's alright.
Yep. I had a good job putting it together.
Shit.
Rebuilt the header. Never mind.
Onwards and upwards.
We'll get there.
Today's one field done. So with that, we are completed. We're back in the farm. I can't believe how quick the daylight went then. We're now in darkness,
Yeah. I got one field done
but we're here.
and several more to go, but obviously different crops.
Harvest 2024 is underway.
Yeah.
Farmer Clive can't wait.
See you in September when we
See you in
get done.
September we get done. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed that. If you did, please like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you guys again later. You can't see me actually waving, but there you go.